Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our new listing at 5555 Via Segura. This is an absolutely incredible custom home built by GL Green. Super modern, contemporary looking home, really clean lines on this home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2678 square feet. Does sit on just under 2 acres at 1.98 acres. This is located in La Tierra Escondida subdivision, which is a gated community out here. Lots of natural landscaping as well. The home has a beautiful loft area with views of the sunset views and city lights. Come on in, let's take a look around. Guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 5555 Via Segura. Again, absolutely amazing custom home built by Geo Green. Super Southwest contemporary modern home. Tons of upgrades. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus a loft. 2678 square feet. Sits on just under 2 acres. You have an incredible private area off of the primary suite with a hot tub in there. They have this incredible east-facing backyard, great for entertaining. You've got the barbecue grill area. Again, just tons of space here, plenty of room for a pool. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.